trying to get to a spot that I haven't. Oh man, I hate when that happens. Bushes get caught on my line. That really sucks. So here, Jamaican shore fishing. Last time I was back here, I didn't catch this big ass barracuda. So me and Rasta is back here at the same spot. We're gonna try here at the pier first and see what we can pick up. If we don't pick anything up, then we don't pick anything up. It is what it is. Let's see what's up. We're just testing it out. We never expected to make a video today because we're at work. So being at work, I just stopped in real quick. Rasta with his new acquaintance in his new place where he's gonna be staying. So that's what's up. I see a diver out there, Rasta. Yeah. Out there in the water. You see him? Yeah. He's in our way. So we ain't gonna go far down that way because it's low tide. That barrel's not gonna be there. He's definitely scaring the fish away. Let's see what this Missouri crystal minnow can do, because if last time that barrel ran my line down, it was over there. Let's see if we can get something hooked up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. First cast. Missouri crystal minnow. Big up to Windstone Chronicles. Yeah, man. Ooh, a big jackfish chasing. Big jackfish chasing. Big jackfish, bro. Huge. Hey, morning. Yeah, bro, nice jackfish chasing. Cast that way, bro, and I cast this way. He broke off a while ago. They ain't hitting it. Hey, Rasta, there's a whole bunch of reef there. Don't let it sink. Tell you that now. But they come up on the front and cast that way. If that diver passed through here already, I don't think we're gonna pick up much. Yeah, he's scared of fish. Huge jackfish was just chasing my line, bro. Big ass jackfish, you know.
Nice size, huh?
They'll roll a 3-pounder for sure. Nothing yet, Russ. Right, cast. Get a few casts with a spoon out there. Who knows? Run it back, bro. Let's run it back quick. Put your rod down and run it back quick. I know there's a whole bunch of reefs off here. I gotta be extremely careful of my lure because I dive down once it goes in. Morning. How you doing?
Did you catch anything?
I seen a big jack run down my line a while ago, but he didn't grab it. He chased it, but he didn't grab it. Hopefully, there's a barra that I seen here the other day. He was about at least 20 pounds. Yeah, I hope so. But the diver is in the water, so he probably scared him. So. Hey, remember, check behind you when you cast it, you know? Oh. I'm gonna walk down, Russ. Come on. I'm gonna walk down to the other side. I'm gonna see if I can pick something up down there. Morning. How you doing? Let's go after my monster barra. Jeez. More work. And wow. Yeah, this thing needs a cut. Wow. Guys, right here. Where I had the last chase from that last big barra, guys. Let's see if we. Where? You got? Oh shoot! Rasta. Rasta got himself. Rasta got himself a leatherback. Oh shoot. Caught dinner. I said you caught dinner. Huh? I got tangled up. Fish on, Russ. I got leatherback, guys. Look at that. Haha. What's up? Yeah. Hey guys, Rasta caught his fish today. I ain't hit nil yet. Yeah, there was a diver in the water, so he'll probably scare the barracudas that was over here off. I don't know. I ran into a big one here one day. Monster for barracuda. I highly doubt he's still here after all these divers passing through though. A whole bunch of little jacks chasing. Nothing. All right, guys. Little jackfish chasing. Nothing yet. Yeah, spoon lure is definitely a killer. It never failed you. Azuri Crystal Minnow also is a very good lure, guys. But what happened is that not every time you get a hit on them, color do matter. I bet you as soon as I cast my damn spoon lure in there, I'm gonna get a hit. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna slap the spoon lure on, which I'm gonna get a lot more distance because it's 2 ounce. Alright, Rasta. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah, spoon lure is always the killer, guys. You can depend on it to hit anything. Whether jack, barra, tarpon, anything. And you'll definitely get a lot of distance on it. Rasta just got fish on a while ago. Hammered it. Alright, there you go. I get really good distance. You see that drop, guys? And I'll just run that silver spoon lure back from there. And I guarantee you guys, that lure will pick something up. Once they spot it, guys, it's a wrap. Anything spots it, it's a wrap. Oh. Out there. Too late in the morning for me, I guess. Nothing. I'll try over there next to that reef. I run it back again. Nothing. Alright guys, that's it. Murder She Wrote. I'm gonna move on down the line. I guess the divers scared the fish away. I got a lucky hit on a leatherback a while ago, and that's about it, guys. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna hit up on the other side back again, see if I can get a forecast. I guess the barrow's not here. Nothing on my side, Russ. Nothing. I ain't get squat. Huh? Yeah, let's head out of here because we got to get to doing what we're doing. I ain't see chase. I ain't get squat. If the barrel was here, he would have hit it already. Yeah. And I'll tell you this, because we haven't been fishing here. I mean, it doesn't say someone else isn't, but... Oh, no, 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 I don't want to get my sneakers wet today. I don't want to get my sneakers wet today. Not in the mood for that.
Oh, get cheesy. Yeah, I just hit you on the way. Hit the line mud.
Yeah, man, it's a leatherback click, man. They're wild, man.
Them are the one you said not to be careful, joking.
That's the one that stuck you, that burned you all day?
Okay.
Yeah. That's one that we fried that homeboy took a half of.
Oh, yes.
Coley took a half of. Come on. Let's get out of here, bro. Secure your hook. Good morning, ladies. How you doing? Rasta got lucky, I didn't. I got nailed today.
You got one.
Yeah, I got one.
Nice.
Nice leather back.
Wow.
Yeah. Hopefully I can't catch another.
Go back through the gate, man. Go back up. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing? I'll get one more cast here and I'm done. Yeah. I just switched and went down there because I'm figuring the barrel would have been that side. But all the activities going on. Maybe I might hit that jack. We up there some more going on. Where? Over there? Yeah, that's where they're gonna see it in the clear. They're gonna see it going across in the clear faster. So I'll give it a shout out there. Oh, I see a long jaw chasing. I got to chase. Just a long jaw, that's it. Send it out there. Ba-doop. It's always that unexpected hit, right? Keep on hearing voices. Right there. Here, fishy. Come on, fishy. Just take that fucking bait. Yeah, bro. Gone out there now. Here, big jackfish. I want you to hit it, jackfish. Hit that lure. Ooh, I see a long jaw chasing. He's a small fella though. He's spotting it. So if he's spotting it, that means the lure is simply visible like heck. And there's nothing. See how far I go with that? So I'm running across reef territory. So let's go. We gotta go to work. We got time to fuck around. Normally I'd go on them. Oh, what the hell was that? Normally I go on them rocks and cast towards the piers. Oh, there's a diver in the goddamn water. Come on, let's go, bro. You got no chance here to catch nothing except for what you caught.